Once again, very warm welcome to all the students of class 9th, and my name is Ujjwal. I will be taking your maths class. Students, by the time we have already gone through our chapter number 1, exercises as well as concepts are completed, and in our last few videos we were discussing about the chapter number 2, that are polynomials. We have gone through the entire concept of polynomials. We have seen what are polynomials, we have seen the degrees of the polynomials, coefficient of the polynomial, and the types of polynomial like linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomials. Now we are getting into the exercises of our book R.S. Agrawal, prescribed for our school. So we are starting with exercise number 2b. Since if you go through the exercise number 2a, that is the simplest most exercise, in that particular exercise the questions are like that. They are asking what is the degree of the polynomial. We are already know that the maximum power of any variable in the given polynomial is known as the degree of the polynomial. So that is exercise is quite easy. So we are going to start the solutions of exercise number 2 from our book R.S. Agrawal. Like the first question is saying to us that there is a polynomial 2x square plus 4x minus 5. It is saying that there is a polynomial. Question number 1, first part is saying 2x square plus 4x, 2x square minus 4x plus 5, minus 4x plus 5. We have to evaluate this polynomial by putting the values of x, 0, 3 and minus 2. X equals to 0, 3 and minus 2. We have to evaluate this polynomial by putting these three values in the given polynomial. So we say that if x equals to 0, then what will happen? We will put 0 instead of x. See here, I have kept 0 in the place of x. Whenever the x was placed in the given polynomial, I have kept 0 over there. 2x square, that means 2 into 0 square, minus 4x, that means 4 into 0, and this is the plus 5. Now go for the calculations. 0 square will be 0, that means it is 2 into 0, minus 4 into 0 is 0, and it is 5 only. This is 0 into 2, 0 minus 0 plus 5, 0 minus 0 कुछ भी नहीं बचा, and we are getting the result 5. So this is the value of the given polynomial if x equals to 0 is kept there. If we are putting x equals to 3, the second requirement given to us, put the value of x equals to 3 in the given polynomial to x square, that means 3 square minus 4x, 4 into x, the value is 3, and plus 5. This is 2 multiply 3 square is 9 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 5. This is 2 9s are 18 minus 12 plus 5. 18 minus 12 is 6 plus 5. The value is 11. So if we put the value x equals to 3, the entire polynomial will give us the total value of 11. Now on to the third point, we are going to put x equals to minus 2. So if x equals to minus 2, then what will happen? We are going to put minus 2 instead of these x for our polynomial. 2x square, that means minus 2 square, minus 4 into minus 2, one time x is there, plus 5. 2 into minus का स्क्वायर करेंगे, we will get the positive number. और 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 2 2 जा 4, तो 2 into 4, minus into minus is plus, 4 2 जा 8 and plus 5. This is 2 4s are 8 plus again 8 plus 5, 8 8 16, 5 21. So we are getting the result 21 if we are putting the value of x equals to minus 2. So in the question number 1 we have evaluated the given polynomial by putting the value of x here, x equals to 0, x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 2. Similarly, we are coming to the question number 4 here. It is a little bit different one. Question number 2 and 3 are as similar as question number 1. So I am directly taking you to question number 4 of the same exercise. Which is saying that there is a polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 9, and we have to put the values x equals to 0, x equals to, this is question number 5, x equals to 0, x equals to 3, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 1. We have to put 4 values for our x, and at last what do you conclude about the zeros of the polynomial? हमको यहाँ पे अपने इस पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस भी देने हैं अगर इनमें से कोई है तो. जीरोस का मतलब x की ऐसी वैल्यू जो किसी पॉलिनोमियल में रख दी जाए तो वो पूरे पॉलिनोमियल को जीरो बना देती है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द फर्स्ट वैल्यू, वी आर गोइंग टू पुट x equals to 0 in the given polynomial. So this is 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square minus 9 into 0, and this is minus 9. 0 cube is 0 minus 0 square is 0 and into 3, then also it will become 0 minus 9 zeros are 0 minus 9. ये पूरी की पूरी वैल्यू जो खत्म ही है 0 minus 9, the result is minus 9. So if we put x equals to 0 in the given polynomial, the value of the polynomial will become minus 9. Now put the value x equals to 3 in the given polynomial. If x equals to 3, then what will happen? This is x cube, that means 3 cube minus 3x square, that means 3 square minus 9 into x, that means into 3 and minus 9. 3 cube is 3 3 the 9 3 the 27 minus 3 square is 3 3 the 9 9 3 the 27 again here minus 9 3 the 27 again and minus 9. This is plus 27 and minus 27 cancelled. What is left with us? It is minus 27 and minus 9. They will be added, negative will be added with negative sign, minus 36. So if we put in this polynomial x equals to 3, the result will be minus 36. So we can say one more thing, x equals to 0 and x equals to 3 are not the zeros of the given polynomial. अगर हम x की वैल्यू 0 रख रहे हैं तो हमें वैल्यू क्या मिल रही है? minus 9 मिल रही है. That means 0 जो है वो हमारे इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 नहीं है. Similarly, if we are putting x equals to 3, we are getting the value minus 36. That means x equals to 3 is not the 0 of this particular polynomial because we are not getting the result 0 over here. Now put the value x equals to minus 3 in the given polynomial. So we are going to put x equals to minus 3 in the given polynomial. This is minus 3 cube minus 3 into minus 3 square minus 9 into minus 3 and minus 9. 3 3 the 9 3 the 27 and 3 times negative sign, that means it will give us negative result. Then again minus sign 3 3 are 9 and माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो गया, प्लस का 9, 9 इंटू 3 27, नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, 9 3 जा 27 and plus minus 9. See here I am having negative 27, here I am having positive 10, 27 cancelled. What is left here? Minus 27 minus 9. This minus 27 and minus 9 are left with us. So the result is minus 36 again. So we can say that we are putting x equals to minus 3 in the given polynomial, and the value we have got, that is minus 36. That means x equals to minus 3 is also not the 0 of the given polynomial. Now the fourth value we are going to put here. The fourth value given to us, put the value of x equals to minus 1. So जहाँ भी हमें x दिख रहा है, we are going to put minus 1 over here. Minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 and minus 9. Here minus 1 का क्यूब करेंगे, 1 1 जा 1 1 जा 1 and minus 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 3 times minus, that means the result will be minus 1. Minus 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, we will get plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Minus into minus, plus. 9 1s are 9 and this is 9. Minus. Plus 9 and minus 9 cancelled. The value is minus 1 and minus 3 left with us, and both are in negative sign. Therefore, they will be added with negative sign. Minus 4 is the result we have got. So, just see the values we have obtained from the given x values, and all these values are not giving 0 anywhere. हमें ये values x की रखने पर कभी भी 0 नहीं मिला है. That means we are not having these values as zeros of this polynomial. हमें जो इस polynomial का 0 मिलना चाहिए था, वो इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है. कुछ और हो सकता है लेकिन इनमें से नहीं है, जैसा कि क्वेश्चन ने हमसे पूछा था. सो दिस वाज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मूविंग लिटिल मोर फर्दर. Question number 7. It is saying that prove that या फिर आप कह सकते हो verify that. क्या verify करना है? The first point is saying that there is a polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2, और हमको verify करना है कि x की वैल्यू 1 और 2, these two are the zeros of the given polynomial. ये दोनों ही 1 x की वैल्यू 1 और x की वैल्यू 2 अगर इस polynomial में रख दिया जाए तो पूरा polynomial 0 हो जाता है. That means these two are the zeros of the given polynomial. So first of all we are going to put x equals to 1. Then x square, that means 1 square minus 3 into x, that means into 1 plus 2. 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, we will get 1 minus 3 1s are 3 and plus 2. This is plus 1 and plus 2, plus में 3 and minus 3. We have got the 0. That means x equals to 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. It is verified by you. Now this time put the value of x equals to 2. X square, that means 2 square, minus 3x, that means 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. This 4 and this 2 are with positive sign, they will be added, plus 6, and this is minus 6. The result is again 0. we have shown that we are getting zeros while we put x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. That means we have verified that x equals to 1 and x equals to 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So students, let us go a little more further. We will now talk about one of the most important question of this particular exercise. That is question number 9. Question number 9 is saying there is a polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. This is the polynomial and we are having two zeros given. इसके zeros जो हैं वो हमें इन्होंने दे रखे हैं, वो हैं 2 और 0. हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? वैल्यू ऑफ a and b. We are having one polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. इस पूरे polynomial के दो zeros हैं 2 और 0. तो हमें a और b की वैल्यू बतानी है. ये a का वैल्यू कितना होएगा, b का वैल्यू कितना होगा. So let us go for the solution. If x equals to 2, अगर x की वैल्यू 2 रखें, हमको ये बात पहले से मालूम है कि x जो है 2 जो है इसका 0 है. यानी अगर हमने 2 रख दिया इस पॉलिनोमियल में तो रिजल्ट 0 आएगा. 2x cube that means 2 cube minus 5x square that means 2 square plus a into x यानी कि 2 plus b equals to 0. equals to 0 क्यों लगाया हमने इसलिए लगाया क्योंकि हमको मालूम है कि ये 2 इस पॉलिनोमियल को 0 कर सकता है. यानी रिजल्ट कितना आएगा? फाइनली रिजल्ट 0 ही आएगा क्योंकि ये 2 इसका 0 है. 2 into 2 cube 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 5 into 2 to the 4 plus 2a plus b equals to 0. 2 8 the 16 minus 5 4 the 20 plus 2a plus b equals to 0. 16 minus 20 minus 4 plus 2a plus b equals to 0. इस माइनस 4 को ट्रांसपोज करके अदर साइड पे लेकर के जा रहे हैं. देन वी विल बी लेफ्ट विद 2a plus b equals to, ये इधर आ जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. मार्क इट एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू of x equals to 0. If x equals to 0, then what will happen? This is 2 into 0 cube minus 5 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b, and that all will be equal to 0. क्योंकि 0 भी इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 है, ऐसा हमें क्वेश्चन में बोला गया. यानी फाइनली जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो 0 ही होगा. 2 into 0 cube is 0 minus 5 into 0 square is 0 plus a into 0 that is 0 plus b equals to 0. सब कुछ 0 है, अकेला बचा क्या? b बचा LHS में और RHS में क्या बचा? 0. यानी हमें हमारे b की वैल्यू मिल गई है. हमसे कहा गया था ना a और b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करिए. हमारे b की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 होगी. नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ b in equation number 1. This is 2a plus 0 equals to 4. 2a equals to 4. Therefore a equals to 4 by 2, that is equals to 2. तो हमारे a की वैल्यू कितनी आई? 2. हमारे b की वैल्यू कितनी आई? 0. So students, this is all from today's class. Exercise 2b we have completed most of the important questions and the hint has been given to you. 5-6 questions are there left in this particular exercise and you all are advised to go through more and more times with these type of questions, because this type of question is quite important for your examination. Practice more, stay safe and stay home with your family.